In this video, we're going to show you to install the idler pulley on your Ford Mustang located on the front side of your engine. We want to go ahead and remove our serpentine belt. In order to do this, we're going to use a 5/8 socket on our ratchet, go down to our belt tensioner down here, and lift up on this, take the tension off, and then pull the belt off. Go ahead and release that tensioner. Now we can go ahead and leave the belt dangling. Now that we have the belt loose, we want to go ahead and remove the bolt from our idler pulley here. We use an 18mm socket and our ratchet. Go ahead and spin that off. Go ahead and take your bolt, line that up inside. You want to make sure that there is a collar on the inside or a shim or sleeve to line that up. Put that into place, get that bolt started in. Let the thread in as far as you can by hand first. Let's go ahead and snug that. Torque down the bolt to 18 foot-pounds. Now we'll put our ratchet back onto our tensioner here. Go ahead and get our belt routed. I'm going to put that down on the tensioner itself and bring it up. Make sure the belt is on all of the other pulleys. Release that tensioner. You want to double check all of the pulleys, make sure that it's where it needs to be. Make sure it's fully seated. And once you're all done with that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.